How to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen that will lead you to your profile. Next, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen again, and here you can see the option of Account Center, so tap on Account Center. As you do that, scroll down and tap on Password and Security over here. Then here you can see the option of two-factor authentication, so just tap on the option and tap on the profile over here. And as you tap on the profile, you will be given two options to choose a security method from authentication app or SMS. So as you can see, it is currently toggled on for authentication. Now just select an SMS or WhatsApp and then tap on next. And just enter your phone number and then tap on next, and there you'll be able to turn off the two-factor authentication on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.